I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just took a while until my worries disappear. I tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand and take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with
There's a million things I can't control, but there is one thing that I know. Tides will change, the sea can't help it. Nothing is forever when it feels like I'm in constant motion. You're my anchor in the ocean. My thoughts don't drift when you're around. I love the way you slow me down. Tides will change, the sea can't help it. Nothing is forever when it feels like I'm in constant motion. You're my anchor in the ocean. I can brave the
Okay, ako po ang naatasan na magsara ng nakataulan. Okay, so in behalf po of the Heraldo family, nagpapasalamat po ang bawat isa sa amin sa inyo pong taus-pusong pakikiramay sa pagpanaw ng aming mahal na nanay, ng aming mahal na lola na si Josefina. Ayun po, at ang dami nang naiiyak. Oo. Ayun. Hindi po kasi ako sanay magbigay ng mensahe sa isang libing ng malungkot sapagkat naniniwala po ako na pagkatapos ng paghihirap na ito, ang amin pong mahal na lola na nakaranas ng hindi kawasang paghihirap nung siya po ay nasa ospital, nung siya ay may karamdaman, naniniwala at nananampalataya po ang bawat isa sa amin na siya po ay nasa maganda ng kalagayan. Sinasabi po sa banal na kasulatan na siya ngayon ay nasa isang paraiso na kung saan ang kanyang nilalakaran ay lantay na ginto at inaaliw na siya ng mga anghel ng ating Panginoon. Ay, nangingilid ang luha ko. So maraming salamat po. Sa ilang saglit lamang po ay dadalhin na po natin siya sa kanyang huling hantungan. Bagamat may kalungkutan sa ating mga puso sa pagkawalay niya, ngunit mas nagagalak po tayo sapagkat alam po natin na siya ay nasa kapayapaan na at kasama na po niya ang kanyang pinakamamahal na na 12 years na, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, na gusto niyang muling makapiling ang ating mahal din na si Rufino Heraldo. Kaya po muli, maraming salamat po mula po sa aming mga puso, sa pamilya po ni Lola Pining, kung siya po ay aming tawagin. Maraming salamat po. Alam ko po na ang pakikiramay po ninyo ngayon hindi lang dahil mahal ninyo siya, kundi dahil mahal niyo din po kami. Kaya po maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Ayan, we love you, Lola.
the way you slow me down. Tides will change, the sea can't help it. Nothing is forever when it feels like